Online guys, my voice is clear. Online guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Please respond anybody. Guys, please respond anybody. All right. The last class we discussed how to create the future file and step definition file and test runner file. Once you guys are create the future file, that future file, how you guys are able to mapping inside of the step definition, I was explained clearly. Once you guys are mapping the future file in step definition, how you are able to execute the Cucumber code. If you want to execute the Cucumber code, we need to execute always inside of the test runner. Always inside of the test runner. In test runner, we need to provide, in test runner, we need to provide futures equal to future file location and glue equal to package name. And after that, and after that, if you want to do the any type of testing, we need to use tags. If you want to print readable format in console, we need to use monochrome. If you want to validate future file and step definition file, we need to use dry run. If you want to skip any future file inside of the step definition, we need to use strict equal to true. This is the process how we are able to write. This is the process how we are able to write. Just a minute, guys. Okay, guys. Just a minute, guys. Okay, guys. The last class we discussed how to launch the browser by using Cucumber. And now, today we are going to discuss about how to use the background, how to use the scenario outline, and how to use the examples. Today we are going to discuss. See, now I need to create a file. Just I need to create this one. See, guys, first of all, I need to create a feature. And this is the future. The next one, we need to provide scenario. And after that, once you guys are provide the scenario, we need to provide given. Already we provided launch the application. Launch the application. And after that, when launch the application, okay, see, this is I will provide under background. This is I will provide background. No, verify the loop. Okay. See guys, this is the background. Then you guys are provide the given validate the mobile button, verify mobile, and given validate the mobile button. And after that, and we need to provide scenario. Verify cell given validate the cell button, validate the cell button, and I need to verify scenario, verify search bar, verify search bar, and given validate the search, validate the search. See guys, now I need to execute this one. You guys are observe every scenario before every scenario before the background will be execute. Every scenario before the background will be execute, and we need to validate every time your expected element. First, I need to launch the application. Once I launch the application, I need to verify the mobile. Next, I need to launch the application. I need to verify the cell. Next, I need to launch the application, verify the search bar. So this is the process. This is the process. How we are able to do this one, you guys are observe here. See, right click on here, run in Cucumber option. But launch will be execute now. Why? Because launch the application related information is there in step definition. Launch will be execute. Why? Because launch related information is there. Okay. See guys, how many methods is not available? One is validate mobile, validate cell button, one to verify cell, validate the cell mobile, and validate the search. This three you need to get. And go to step definition. See, validate the mobile, validate the mobile. If you want to validate the mobile, just you need to enter the application. So this is the mobile, right click on here. The mobile related locators or XPath we need to write. Anchor tag, text, within the single code. See, only one element is highlighted. Just copy. You guys are able to write here, not here. And here, static by mobile equals to by dot id static by mobile equal to by dot not id xpath by dot xpath by dot xpath we need to provide. Okay, and after that, once you guys are make it mobile, next cell, this is the cell, copy and paste it here. See, only cell is highlighted. Static by cell equal to by dot xpath by dot XPath. Okay. By dot XPath cell and cell. Okay. Mobile. Okay. Search bar. Finally, we need to already search related information is there. Yes. Already search related information is there. Okay. So, and just we need to provide here Amazon search future. Okay. Entered, enter the data in search bar in future file. Here also I need to provide. Where is this one? Yeah. I no need to write again and again. Same process. Only one time we need to write. Click on Amazon. Just only one time you need to provide. Right click and cucumber. In this time only we have a two methods it should be displayed. Why? Because enter the search button already is there. Already is there. So verify cell, verify search bar. We no need to write regarding that. In step definition, search related we need to remove. That is not required. Search related. Why? Because already search related information is there. See, this is the search related information. Just enter the Selenium and click on search button is there. Now we need to write driver dot find element. Okay, I want to click on the mobile. Dot click cell button. Driver dot find element cell dot click cell dot click. See, you guys are observe. Once you guys are write this one, now you guys are verify the future file, verify mobile, validate the mobile and cell and search bar. Okay, that's it. And after that, right click on here, go to property, copy as path in test runner. In test runner, we need to provide. Once you guys are provide, now we will execute this one. You guys are observe. We are able to execute 3 times. First mobile verification, next cell verification. See, mobile is working. Next cell verification. See guys, next cell verification. See, cell it is working. Next search related verification. Next search. Okay. Already 2 browsers is launched. So already 2 browsers was launched. That is the issue. Okay. Only verify mobile pass and cell is pass. And now I need to write in background one more. in future when close active window, close active window. We need to provide here, we need to provide here. Then close active window. Right click on here, run Cucumber. Mobile it is working. It will be closed. And this one also close active window. Yes, now it is working. And click on enter button. Okay. Is it clear? So if you want to close, I close active window manual. So you guys are observe, I no need to close active window manual. Just I need to provide here. Just here I will provide driver dot close. Driver dot close. Now you guys are observe. I will execute. Close. Yes, close. Enter the data. Click on search bar and close the active window. Once click on the search bar, close the active window. So only first one mobile verification is failed and I will execute one more time. So that is home page is not showing. Yeah, now it is working. See, mobile, close active window. Yes, launch, click on cell. Yes, it is working. Close and search the. See, if you want to do the retesting and regression testing or smoke or anything, we are able to do. This is possible. We are able to do. This is possible. See, total 3 scenarios passed, 10 steps is passed. Is it clear? It is clear or not? Any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubt? ఏమైనా doubt ఉందా? Any doubt? Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear or not? Background, every scenario before background will execute. Okay. Once background will execute, after scenario will execute. Is it clear or not? Okay. Background will execute, after scenario will execute. That is the process. Now you guys are observe, background is completed and scenario is completed and scenario outline is pending. Now I will show you. Now we are going to discuss about scenario outline. Feature. Verify and validate Salesforce. Background. Whatever you provide inside of the background here. And we need to provide background this one. And after that, we need to provide scenario outline. Scenario outline. Once you guys are provide the scenario outline, we need to provide given, enter, username, and enter valid username. Okay. Username and password. Enter valid username and a password. I need to pass the arguments. What I'm saying, the scenario will execute a number of times. The scenario outline will execute a number of times. The scenario will execute only one time. Okay. See, you guys are provide given, when, then, click on, already click on login is there. Just a minute. Yeah. Click on Salesforce button. Okay. Click on Salesforce button. Now I need to provide examples. Examples, you need to provide pipe symbol, username, password. Spelling is correct. Yes. Username and password. See, you guys are observe. Username, you need to provide anything. This is the username. And password, you guys are provide anything. And I need to provide one more. I need to provide one more. Okay. See, you guys are observe here. Username and password I provided. And I will execute this one. Okay. See guys, just we need to provide given and copy, go to step definition, and here you need to provide cap, enter, valid, username and password. If you want to do the entered username and password, you need to follow this process. Dot star, enter valid username and password. If you want to pass, enter valid username, enter valid username and password. Here we need to pass string username, comma, string password, string username, comma, string password. And once you guys are provide the username, comma, password, now you guys are provide driver dot find element by dot id. You need to provide username dot send keys username. Let's wait some time. Thread dot sleep. You guys are able to understand or not? Is it clear? If you want to pause the examples in step definition, we need to write line number 722 is the mandatory. That is the proper way. Enter star, a dot star, and dot star is the username, and dot star is the password. Okay. So that is the process. Thread dot sleep, driver dot find element by dot id login, click. So this is the process. Now I need to go to the step definition, run test runner. I think this is my feature. Right click on here, go to property and copy test runner. I need to provide the feature. And once I provide the feature, I need to change the username of URL also and go to step definition, control S and test runner, control S. Now you guys are observe. We want to execute You guys are observe carefully. Three times it is execute, but scenario we are unable to enter. But it is pass given entered. Yeah, that is the process. Enter valid username and password. Yeah, correct. Right click on here, run in Java unit. Actually, that is the process, but then click on login option. Correct. Enter valid and username and password. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, same as it is we provided. Okay. Mm, mm. See guys, you guys are observe. Right click on here. See guys, now you guys are observe. I am able to enter the username and password. Click on login. What I need to change here? Boys, what I need to change here? Huh? మాట్లాడుకోండి. This. 3 times the application is executed successfully. So background is completed. How to do the retesting and regression testing, smoke testing. Only that one is pending. That one also I will show you. See, total pass. The next one, how to do the retesting and regression testing. Right click, new. You are able to understand or not? చెప్పేటప్పుడు మాట్లాడితే అలాగే ఉంటది. Online guys, is it clear? Online guys, if you want to get a marry, you need to call Samantha. We are able to come. Okay, you can invite us. Definitely, we are able to come. Okay, is it clear, guys? How to do the examples? How to do the examples? The next one, how to do the retesting and regression testing. Just we need to provide future expected testing and background as usual. Background, you guys are provide background. And next scenario, next scenario, scenario, we need to provide same. If you guys are provide same thing and same thing, you need to copy. Okay, same you guys are able to copy paste, and before given at the rate retesting, at the rate smoke testing, retesting and smoke testing. I want to do the retesting and smoke testing and go to get the location and go to test runner, and we need to provide here. Once you guys are provide here, comma, tax equals to within the double quote retesting. Retesting. I want to do the retesting. If you want to do the retesting, tax equal to retesting. So now I will execute. If I want to execute the change the application URL, I want to change the application URL in step definition. Okay. And once I change the application URL, only I want to do the retesting. So go to test runner, right click, run as test. 0 scenarios will execute. Tag. Text is correct. Cucumber option. Retesting scenario before. Okay. Mobile. Cell. Enter data. Click on search. Okay. Socket exception. Close the active window. 3 scenarios passed and 10 steps is passed. Okay, done. So now I want to go to the test runner. Right click on here. Scenarios, 0 stops, 0. Smoke testing. Scenario and smoke test and retesting and smoke testing. Okay, this two I will remove. This scenario I will remove. Just and go to this one. I got a error again. If you want to do the smoke, if you want to do the any type of testing, we need to follow this process. We need to follow this process. Yes, we need to miss something here. That is the problem. Right click on here, run as. See, anything is mistake, we are unable to execute. If you do any mistake, we are unable to execute. It is clear. What I need to do? Only retesting. Only retesting. I want to do only retesting. So if you want to do the retesting, this is the process. It is passed successfully. This is not an error. Socket exception, connection. Connection is not there properly. That is the problem. If you got a error, this color, it should be displayed brown color. Okay. This is not a error. This is the process how to do the cucumber. I was explained what is the future, what is the step definition, what is the test runner inside of the future, what is the background, what is the scenario, what is the scenario outline, what is the Gherkin language, what is the example, everything I explained. Coming to the step definition, whatever you map, whatever you did inside of the feature file, as it is, we need to map in step definition. And test runner, if you want to execute any future file, in the test runner, run with the cucumber.class, and cucumber options, and inside of the cucumber options, we need to provide futures. Under futures, we need to provide the future file location, and you need to provide the glue. Under glue, we need to provide the step definition, package name, and if you want to provide the dry run, will validate both are same or not. Both means future file, step definition. If you want to provide the monochrome, it will be reflected readable format. If you want to provide the strict equal to true, if you want to provide strict equal to true, whenever you provide inside of the feature file, any step is missing inside of the step definition, the strict equal to true able to handle. Clear? Any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Okay. I will provide the notes. I am unable to say notes. Okay. I will provide notes. I will show you the notes also. I think that is clear, but little bit. Those people are unable to take the screenshot not properly. That is the problem. But writing is very well. See, I will provide this one PDF format. Everything is there. Strict monochrome and format, example, retesting, and everything is there. మీరు అన్నది కరెక్టే. ఇలాంటి మాత్రం బాగా గెస్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే డన్. ఓకే. This is notes guys, and I was explaining about the syntax errors. I mean exceptions, Selenium exceptions. Okay. Very clear notes, but taking the screenshot little bit they confused. They don't have an idea how to take the screenshot, but writing is very nice. There is no spelling mistakes also. I verified everything. I will provide these notes. Yeah, Selenium already I provided Selenium also. Printed material, actually my notes is not available in outside. Only every batch my notes will be changed. So that is the problem. I don't have a printed, only handwriting notes is there. That's why I'm telling running notes also. I said clearly, I will provide the notes, but that is not a printed, that is handwriting. Okay, if you want to write a notes, you guys are write the notes, running notes. I said clearly. This notes I will provide. Okay. Now, do you have any doubts today? If I want to explain this about these notes, it will be take 2 days. Okay, which is the better? I will share the notes. Is it clear? And okay, clear online guys? It is clear online guys? Yeah, Pavani, actually I have only manual testing printed notes is there. Okay. And you need to write the notes, running notes. If you need a notes, okay, we have providing two options. One is you guys are able to write the notes. Otherwise, I don't have a printed notes. I have a handwriting notes. Okay. Um, if you are unable to get the green color symbol, Narsimha, you are not added properly. Okay. Now today I will provide the, what is that one? Dependency in Google Classroom. You guys are download. Same dependency you guys are copy paste. But one thing I will explain, you guys are listen. Cucumber dependency. Yeah, I provided all the dependencies. I request to everybody listen carefully. Whenever you guys are making cucumber, whatever you provide, class name test runner. Is it clear? Test runner. First T is the uppercase, R is the uppercase. Am I clear? Save in pom.xml. Whatever you provide, same you need to provide test runner.java. Then it will be execute. As it is my dependencies copy paste, as it is you guys are only, you need to provide same like test runner. T uppercase or uppercase. You need to write like this. You no need to change this one. If you guys are write anything here, for example, T small letter or small letter, here also you need to change T small letter or small letter. Then it will be execute. Otherwise, it is not execute. It is clear? Everybody is clear? Definitely, Priya, I will share that notes. Okay. In that notes, Cucumber is there, API is there, and Git is there, Jenkins is there. So I will divide Cucumber only, and after that I will share you. Okay. I will divide Cucumber only, and after that I will share. It is clear, everybody? Okay. The next one, API. The next one, API. Application Programming Interface. Application Programming Interface. Okay. In just a minute online, guys. In this batch, how many people are able to write that screening test? Total? Two, three, four. But 11 o'clock batch people are not selected more than 10 people. 11, not this 11, previous batch. Again, 7:30 batch. You guys are complete, only limited people. 35 people was selected. For the 35 people, again, I will take the session that is completely not this type of things, like completely interview oriented. How to face the interview, what type of questions they will ask in Selenium and manual testing under Java, Git, and API, Cucumber. Complete interview based. That will be take nearby 15 to 20 days. With that's our people also. Okay. I will share that document, everything, guys. All the documents I will share. Okay. And API testing, application programming interface. What is the API testing? What is the API testing? Up to now, we learn front-end testing. Up to now, we learn front-end testing. Okay. And API is the completely back-end testing. API is the completely back-end testing. So if you want to do the back-end testing, API, we are able to do API manual. We are able to do API automation. Both is possible in API. For API automation, we need to use REST assured, and manual we need to use Postman. The API is application programming interface. You guys are listen. The API two type. One is the SOAP. Second one is the REST. SOAP is nothing but simple object access protocol. Simple object access or application protocol. REST is nothing but representational state transfer protocol. SOAP is nothing but simple object access or application protocol. REST is nothing but representational state transfer protocol. Coming to the SOAP, that is the old version. Nowadays, we are not using. If you want to use that SOAP, we need to purchase that item, that software. That is not a open source. That is completely paid version. And coming to the rest, that is user friendly, open source. That is user friendly and open source. Just import the rest assured package. Automatically, we are able to do the automation for the rest assured. In this rest assured, we need to use Gherkin language, Cucumber language, plain English. When given, then. Is it clear? How the API is working process? API is working process. Okay, API working process I will discuss. Everything I will discuss. I will provide the nodes API. Okay. But if I want to provide the nodes, if I am unable to provide the nodes API, but it will be take some time. That's why running nodes I will provide. And within 1 or 2 days, I will provide the Cucumber nodes also. Okay, within 1 or 2 days. Based on the dependencies, you guys are set up the project as early as possible. Is it clear? Any doubt? Online guys, do you have any doubt? I think she's not a girl. He's the boy. She's the boy. She is the boy. I'm a boy. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubt online? Which code? Yeah. Now I will share. Okay. You don't worry about that one. Now I will share. 9 o'clock. Okay. Now I will share Cucumber code. My end pending only Cucumber nodes, guys. Okay. My end only pending in Cucumber notes. Everything I shared. What is your name? ABS9 Cuckoo. The Cucumber notes also, Cucumber code also I provided. I did. Okay. Everything I shared. Yeah, I shared Cucumber notes, all Cucumber code also. Everything I provided. My end only pending is the Cucumber notes only. Everything I shared. Okay, done? Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubt? Please set up the Cucumber project as early as possible. If you are unable to set up the Cucumber project, I will help you. Okay? I will help you. Maybe before 20, I am able to complete. Not before 20, 15. I am able to complete. 15. Before 15, I am able to complete. And we have covered 2 days because notes, a Cucumber notes. Time was covered. Cucumber notes time. Yeah. 10, 15th December 15th is the last working day. What is that one? Sunday? No, Friday. Exactly. Okay, Saturday you can postpone Saturday. 16th you can postpone Saturday. Okay, that is the last working day. Online and offline, guys. This month 16th is the last working day. And we are able to introduce full stock Selenium. Full stock Selenium. In that full stock Selenium, we have to plan. Not sure? We have to plan. In this full stack Selenium, manual and core Java completely. Full. Full core Java and Selenium, TestNG and data-driven testing and Cucumber and next one API, next one Jenkins, next one Git, next one JMeter, the next one Tosca and introduction of Cypress. This is the process. Full stack. No need to learn anything for the testing. Everything we provided. And database testing also, one is missing. Database. Huh? Yeah, just we are going to plan, but that is we will announce within few days. This content complete testing related, which is available nowadays up to now, everything we are able to explain. With the JMeter also. You know what is the JMeter? Performance testing. Performance testing. This is the full stack. Duration total 5 months. Total 5 months. Total 5 months. I actually just we are going to plan. Maybe within 2 months they will start full stack Selenium. These are all only maybe um yeah maybe ఏం లేదు మొత్తం నేనే చెప్పేస్తా. And basically full stack means someone is take care of some topic, someone is take care of it some topics, but I am able to explain full stack core Java completely. The core Java it will be take nearby 2 months. Selenium it will be take 1 month. Manual it will be take 1 month. 4 months is completed. Okay. API Tosca will be take 45 days. 1 month, 5 months, 15 days or okay. 15 days or 20 days. మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అవుతావా? Yeah, actually I just we are planning. Just we are planning. This is not confirm in this time. In future we are able to plan. This is the good opportunity, guys. Okay. Full stack Java is there, full stack Python is there, okay, but full stack Selenium is not there. Why? Because if you want to discuss the full stack Selenium, we need to divide the parts. Selenium, someone able to discuss. Tosca, someone able to discuss. Core Java, someone able to discuss. And API, JMeter, someone able to discuss. Cypress is able to, someone is able to discuss. So why I need to introduce this one? I am able to discuss everything. Everything I am able to discuss from manual to Cypress. That's why I introduce. If I want, actually, I don't have an idea about the JMeter under Tosca like that. Definitely, I need to take some people. Someone able to take care of it about the Tosca something. But I am able to teach that one also. Already my Tosca sessions is going on. And Cypress, Tosca Cypress workshop also will conduct soon. Workshop also. Tosca and Cypress. So if you guys are interested, this is the good opportunity. I think you previous batch, they will give some construction. I don't know, but maybe it might be chances. But you have an idea about the manual and the core and the Selenium, TestNG, and Cucumber. But Jenkins also, Git also. Only you have an idea, JMeter, Tosca, Cypress. Just everything I will Cypress, not an introduction, just some part I will explain. How to install and how to write the code, how to execute the code, which type of syntax we are able to use, what is the Cypress, why we are use the Cypress, what is use of the Cypress nowadays. Okay, this is we call a full stack Selenium, full stack Selenium. We will introduce maybe within 1 month, 1 hour, 1 month definitely. Maybe I think next batch 9 or 11. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? Online? Actually, Manohar, I don't have an idea. Yes, Ajita, JMeter also. Yeah, one more thing. One more I need to add. That is communications also. That is 20 days. And great team is there in our Resh IT. Communication skills. Good team is there. And include communications also. Full stock Selenium. I think it will be take 5 to 6 months. Actually, core Java, sorry, Automation Selenium is the always crazy tool. That is. And next that supporting tools is the API testing and API testing JMeter and Jenkins and database. That is supporting tool. And Tosca and Cypress is the extra talent. That is extra talent. Tosca. Tosca is also like a Selenium, one type of automation. Cypress also one type of automation. That one also. Okay. Is it clear? Yeah. Online guys, is it clear? Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I'll continue tomorrow. Yeah. That is the issue. Okay. Driver path is issue. Driver path, you need to get the driver path properly. That is the problem. See, driver dot message drive edge driver, you did wrong path, I think. వస్తుంది టెస్ట్ అండ్ జనరేషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేయి బ్యాచ్‌లో 2 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. బాగా సరే. రాస్తే ఇప్పుడు రాస్తే ఎస్కేప్ అయిందా లేదా వాటర్ పెట్టలేదు వాటర్ పెట్టలేదు వాటర్ ఎత్తుకుంటున్నా ఎక్కడ పెట్టాడో అని చెప్పి సాయి